Okay, now let us find values of 1 upon x from the given values of x. Consider x belongs to close interval 2 to 5. Then what will be values of 1 upon x? Here all the values of x are positive. So we can consider this concept x1 less than x2, then 1 upon x1 more than 1 upon x2. This is when both x1 and x2 are positive or both x1 and x2 are नेगेटिव. ठीक है, जब x1 x2 का साइन सेम होता है तो x1 लेस देन x2 के लिए हमें 1 अपॉन x1 मोर देन 1 अपॉन x2 मिलता है. Here all the values of x are positive. We have 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Reciprocal of more positive value will be less positive. Okay, now we take reciprocal of all sides. We get 1 upon 2 greater than or equal to 1 upon x greater than or equal to 1 upon 5. Here we change the orientation of inequality. We have this x1 less than x2, then 1 upon x1 more than 1 upon x2. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम inequality का orientation change करेंगे. So 1 upon x1 belongs to close interval 1 upon 5 to 1 upon 2. Okay, we can see this on the graph also. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2, reciprocal of 5 is 1 upon 5. Okay, and when we move from 2 to 5, reciprocal value decreases from 1 upon 2 to 1 upon 5. Okay, so 1 upon x belongs to this interval. Okay, now we consider this set x belongs to close interval minus 6 to open interval minus 3. We have minus 6 less than or equal to x less than minus 3. All the values of x are negative. So again here we can use this concept. Okay, now we take reciprocal of all sides. We get minus 1 upon 6. Using this concept, we have here greater than or equal to 1 upon x greater than minus 1 upon 3. Okay, so we have 1 upon x belongs to open interval minus 1 upon 3 to close interval minus 1 upon 6. Okay, reciprocal of minus 6 is minus 1 upon 6, reciprocal of minus 3 is minus 1 upon 3, reciprocal of more negative is less negative. Okay, so we have 1 upon x belongs to this interval. Okay, let's consider some more cases. Okay, now we consider x belongs to open interval 3 to infinity. Here all the values of x are positive. We can write like this: 3 less than x less than infinity. We can use this concept. Okay, so we get 1 upon 3 greater than 1 upon x. We change the orientation of inequality. ठीक है ना, इसको देख के. Okay, so we have 1 upon 3 more than 1 upon x more than 0. Reciprocal of infinity is 0. When x approaches to infinity, its reciprocal value approaches to 0. Okay, so we have 1 upon x belongs to open interval 0 to 1 upon 3. Okay, we can see this on graph also. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 upon 3 and reciprocal value decreases when value of x increases. जब x का value increase होगा तो reciprocal का value decrease होगा and reciprocal value approaches to 0 when x approaches to infinity. So 1 upon x belongs to this interval. Okay, now we consider this set x belongs to minus infinity to close interval minus 2. Here all the values of x are negative, so we can use this concept. We have minus infinity less than x less than or equal to minus 2. Okay, so using this concept we get, now reciprocal of minus infinity is 0. When x approaches to minus infinity, its reciprocal value approaches to 0. Okay, so we have 0. We change the orientation of inequality. 0 greater than 1 upon x greater than or equal to minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so 1 upon x belongs to close interval minus 1 upon 2 to 0. Okay, so again here we are using this concept because all the values of x are negative. आप इसको ग्राफ पे भी चेक कर सकते हैं. Okay, now consider this set x belongs to close interval minus 3 to 5. Here we have mixed values, positive as well as negative. x की values positive भी हैं, negative भी है. We have minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Okay, then what will be values of 1 upon x? 1 अपॉन एक्स की वैल्यूज क्या होंगी, कैसे निकालेंगे? Can we write like this? Minus 1 upon 3 greater than or equal to 1 upon x greater than or equal to 1 upon 5. क्या हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं? Absolutely not, because this concept a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b, it implies 1 upon a greater than or equal to 1 upon x greater than or equal to 1 upon b. This holds if all the values of x are either positive or negative. ये तभी होल्ड करेगा जब x की सारी वैल्यूज यहाँ तो पॉजिटिव होंगी या तो नेगेटिव होंगी, बट हियर वी हैव मिक्स्ड वैल्यूज पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव, सो सर्टेनली वी कैन नॉट राइट लाइक दिस, हम इस तरह से नहीं लिख सकते. ओके तो फिर 1 अपॉन x की वैल्यूज कैसे निकालेंगे? नाउ हियर इन दिस इंटरवल वी हैव जीरो वैल्यू, यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू जीरो भी हो रहा है, ठीक है, but reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Okay, so we split this interval at x is equal to 0, so as 0 is excluded. Okay, we write like this: minus 3 less than or equal to x less than 0, or 0 less than x less than or equal to 5. हम इस इंटरवल को 0 पे ब्रेक करेंगे ताकि हम 0 को निकाल सकें, because reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Okay, now here all the values of x are positive. Now we take reciprocal. What will be reciprocal of 0? Now this is a 0 plus x is greater than 0, x 0 से बड़ा है, ठीक है, तो हम कौन सा 0 लेंगे? हम 0 plus लेंगे, value slightly more than 0, and reciprocal of 0 plus is plus infinity. Okay, so we have here infinity, we change the orientation of inequality. Okay, we have infinity greater than 1 upon x greater than or equal to 1 upon 5. Okay, and here minus 1 upon 3 greater than or equal to 1 upon x greater than. Now what will be reciprocal of this 0? Here x is less than 0. Okay, x is close to 0 but slightly less than 0 means negative, and reciprocal of negative 0 is minus infinity. Okay, so we have here minus infinity. So what do we get? We get 1 upon x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 upon 3 close interval union close interval 1 upon 5 to infinity. Okay, we can see this on the graph also. Reciprocal of minus 3 is minus 1 upon 3, reciprocal of 5 is 1 upon 5. Okay, when we move from minus 3 to 5, value of 1 upon x decreases from minus 1 upon 3 to minus infinity for negative values of x. Okay, and for positive values of x, 1 upon x decreases from infinity to 1 upon 5. Okay, so we have 1 upon x belongs to this. ठीक है, तो जब नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज का इंटरवल आता है तो उस टाइम पे 1 अपॉन x की वैल्यूज को हमें ध्यान से निकालना चाहिए. वी शुड गेट 1 अपॉन x वैल्यूज वेरी केयरफुली व्हेन वी हैव मिक्स्ड वैल्यूज ऑफ x. ओके, लेट्स टेक सम मोर केसेस. Now we consider this interval x belongs to minus 2 to infinity. We have mixed values of x, positive and negative. Okay, so what we do, we split the interval at 0 to exclude 0. We write like this: minus 2 less than x less than 0, or 0 less than x less than infinity. All values of x are negative here and all values of x are positive here. Okay, so we have, let's start from this interval. We have minus 1 upon 2 greater than 1 upon x greater than, what will be here? Reciprocal of 0 will be minus infinity, because we have here x less than 0, negative 0, reciprocal of negative 0 is minus infinity, and here we will have infinity plus infinity. X is more than 0. Okay, so we have here 0 plus, reciprocal of 0 plus is plus infinity. Infinity more than 1 upon x more than 0. When x approaches to infinity, 1 upon x approaches to 0. So we have 1 upon x belongs to minus infinity to open interval minus 1 upon 2 union open interval 0 to infinity. Okay, now we consider this one, x belongs to minus infinity to close interval plus 3. Okay. Again we have here mixed values. So we split the interval at 0, we write like this, minus infinity less than x less than 0 or 0 less than x less than or equal to 3. We split the interval at 0 so that we can exclude 0. ठीक है, 0 को exclude करना पड़ेगा because reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Okay, so we will have here 0 greater than 1 upon x greater than minus infinity. अब तो समझ में आ रहा है ये. Now we are used to, okay, or infinity greater than 1 upon x greater than or equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, so 1 upon x belongs to minus infinity to open interval 0. At 0 we will have always open interval because range of this function is set of all real numbers except 0. ठीक है, इस फंक्शन का रेंज ये होगा ना, ग्राफ से पता चल रहा है. So we have 1 upon x belongs to this union close interval 1 upon 3 to infinity. Okay, so this is how we get the values of 1 upon x from the given values of x. You need not to remember all these concepts, just remember the graph. It will be easy to find the values of 1 upon x using graph. ग्राफ को देख के हम आसानी से 1 upon x की वैल्यूज निकाल सकते हैं. ठीक है, एवरीवन शुड हैव प्रॉपर नॉलेज ऑफ नंबर्स. आपका नंबर का जो नॉलेज है, आपके कंसेप्ट्स हैं, वो सही होने चाहिए. ओके